the internet in education. Advanced. The access to information, the internet provides students with vast amounts of information on any topic imaginable, making more comprehensive and accessible. Online resources. There are countless educational websites, online courses, and digital libraries that enhance learning opportunities. Interactive learning. Tools like educational videos, simulations, and interactive tutorials make learning more engaging. Collaboration. The students can collaborate on projects using online tools, allowing for group work, website, physical distance, flexibility. Flexibility. Online education offers flexibility in terms of time and location, making it easier for non-traditional students to propose their studies. Disadvantage, distractions. The internet can be a major sources of distractions, with social media, games, and entertainment easily accessible. Quality of information. Not all information available online is accurate or reliable, requiring critical evaluation skills. Digital divide. Not all students can equal access to the internet and, uh, and digital device, lending to inequality in educational opportunities. The cybersecurity. Students and educational institutions are vulnerable to cyber threats and data breaches. Social media in education. The advantage in the advantage the advantage the communication. Social media platforms facilitate communications between students, teachers, and educational institutions. Engagement. Educators can use social media to engage students in discussions and educational activities. Resource sharing. Students, teachers, and students can share resources, ideas, and educational content easily. The disadvantage, the distractions. Social media can distract students from their studies. The cyberbullying. The potential of cyberbullying and online harassment can negatively affect a student's mental health. The privacy concerns. Issues relate to privacy and the sharing of personal information are significant concerns. The video games in education. The advantage, engagement. Educational video games can make learning fun and engaging, keeping students' interest in the subject matter. Skill development. Games can help develop various skills, such as problem solving, critical thinking, and hand-eye coordination. The simulation. Some games provide realistic simulation of real-world scenarios, and which can be valuable in subjects like history, science, and engineering. engineering. And disadvantage. Some disadvantage. The addictions. The video games can be addictive, potentially leading to excessive screen time and neglect to studies. The violence exposed to violent content in some games can have negative psychological effects. Distraction, as with social media, video games can distract students from their academic responsibilities. And for conclusion, the internet, social media, and video games each have potential benefits and drawbacks in the context of education. To maximize their positive impact, the internet for educators and students should develop critical thinking and information literacy skills to evaluate the quality of online information. And the schools should ensure equitable access to technology. And the social media proper guidelines and boundaries can help minimize distractions and protect privacy. The educators can leverage these platforms for communication and engagement. The video games, integrating educational video games properly can enhance a learning experience, but it's important to monitor usage to prevent addictions and ensure content appropriately.